sweet and sour chili sauce.
I almost went to culinary school. I chose Howard University instead, but the kitchen never left me. I co-host a culinary podcast on Radio Milwaukee, have judged the James Beard Awards, and cook Korean soul food fusion. But here's what drives me crazy. My recipes are everywhere. Screenshots in my camera roll, cookbooks everywhere, YouTube videos bookmarked in the browser. And the creators behind those recipes, they don't see a dime when apps scrape their content. So I built Digero, a recipe app with a twist. Digero is the first recipe app that splits 50% of subscription revenue with the creators whose recipes you cook. Think Nebula, but for food. Let me show you how it works. Grab a recipe from anywhere. Search for a YouTube cooking video. Gemini AI watches the video and pulls out every ingredient and instruction automatically. Paste a link from any recipe website and it does the same thing. But this is one of my favorite parts. Point your camera at a cookbook page and AI reads every ingredient and instruction. That entire stack of cookbooks on my shelf? Now they're all organized in my pocket. And if you're browsing Safari or YouTube and find a recipe you love, just hit share. The iOS share sheet drops it right into Digero. When it's time to cook, tap into cook mode. Big text, swipe through steps, built-in timers so nothing burns. Got a question mid-cook? You talk to Digero and it will answer your questions while cooking. Just tap on the microphone twice. The AI sous chef is built right into the recipe flow. Tap it when adding a new recipe and ask for ideas, substitutions, or cooking tips. It knows your dietary preferences and can convert any recipe to vegan, vegetarian, or gluten-free. And when it gives you a recipe you love, save it as a recipe card right from the chat. One tap and it's in your collection, ready to cook. Now here's where Digero is different from every other recipe app. Browse the Discover tab, find creators you love, and when you save, cook, or share their recipes, they get paid. Creators can publish exclusive recipes only available to subscribers, and each creator has their own shop, with 15% off for members. Every interaction earns a recipe engagement score. Saves are worth 1 point. But actually cooking a recipe, that's worth 5x. Half of all subscription revenue goes directly into a creator pool. Real earnings, RevenueCat webhooks calculate payouts in real time. RevenueCat powers everything. 3 subscription tiers, free, plus, and creator, with contextual paywalls at 6 touchpoints. I built Digero because the people who make the recipes you love deserve to be paid. This is the future. Starting in the kitchen.